In this video you will learn how to make a group on Instagram. So hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to make a group on your Instagram account or your Instagram application, you have to open your Instagram application and wait for it to load. I have opened this Instagram and now you have to click on the messenger icon which is on the top right side of the page. You will click on it. So I have clicked on the messenger icon, and now if I want to make a group, I will click on the top right side of the page icon which is like a pencil and a box. I will click on it. For example, I want to make a group of several people, so I will click on different people whom I want to send a specific message. And for example, this or this, so these are the people, so I want to send a message to them. I will click on the chat, and now this group is made, and whoever is involved in this group can send message to one another. So this is the simple process of making a group, and I don't want to send a message so they cannot be disturbed. So this is the just for the educational purpose. So I have shown you that you can make a group on Instagram like this, and this is the simple process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.